Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and today in this video I am going to discuss about how to rotate images in MS Word. So like guys, I have first image in first page and second image in second page, and you can have multiple images in just one page too. So guys, if you want to rotate this image, so for that you just have to click on this particular image. As you click here, you will get another option just beside view tab in menu bar, and after you click on format option you will find arrange block, and here you will find rotate option. And here in rotate option you will find many rotating options like rotate right, rotate left, or flip vertical or flip horizontal. So you can just perform any option by choosing or by clicking on these options. Like I want to rotate it just by 90 degrees, so I have rotated this. And you just want to rotate both the images together, so you just have to select both the images. If you are selecting this image and you scroll down by mouse scrolling button, and after clicking control key you just have to click on this particular image, and now you can see both the images are selected now. So you just have to click on format option and go for rotate and perform any action, choose any action that you want to perform for. So I want to rotate it by just left 90 degrees, so I have click on that, and you can see this image is rotated by left 90 degrees, and this image as well. So friends, there is another option as well. Like you are clicking on this particular image, and after clicking on format option in arrangement block, in rotate option you will find more rotation options. So you just can rotate this image manually. Like this is 270. If you want to increase the degrees, you just can, and this could be rotated by as much as you want. And obviously this will go for 360 now. Like you can see, this is just 0% or 0 degrees rotation, and if you enhance this will be rotated rightwards. So friends, hope I have explained you very well how to rotate the images in your MS Word, and you just can rotate multiple images in just one click too.